Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to talk about a new product called StuffYourBank. In this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this product is all about. The StuffYourBank, and also I have some exclusive bonus for you in order to let you to make more commission. And also I will go through the members area. Lastly, I will go through the price and upsell as well. So what is exactly this new product, StuffYourBank? This product is all, and you can see it's all about talking about how to buying and selling the domain. This is also another term is domain freak domain. Is it a simple way? This is just to buy expired domain. This is also have a certain value in search and broad search and also have many people, but they don't but this domain has been expired, and also so variable because they have such more search for this domain, and you can buy it for as little as just $10, and you can resell it for any price you want. You can sell it for $100, $300. Some of the domain is very premium and more variable such as carinsurance.com. This is just an example. You will sell this for $1,000. Buy it for $10. Just for example, for expired domain just for $10, and you can resell it for $500, $1,000, and even $2,000. And also the difference between the price and that you will make a profit. So if you are interested in this simple way to make profit by buying and selling the domain, please stay with me. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's take a look what is the sales page. This is also you can Jimmy is a very an expert and since I'm not exactly since 2011. He started for almost 10 years. That's about how to buy and sell domain. He's expert and domain freaking. So he's tons of product and software he for this particular niche. And so you can see this sales page caught on video. Watch as 5 people start with $10 each and end up with 1,000 just 3 days later. This is also a very awesome way. You can don't have to buy anything, just for buy a domain for $10, and you can sell it whatever you want the price. But so what I have some exclusive bonus ready for you. Let's take a look what my exclusive bonus. Bonus number 1, I will give you a free video course. This is also about how to make money online. This is a step by step. This is a newbie friend. This is also a very newbie friendly. You will take them and give you a step by step newbie friendly A to C training as to how to make money online. This is also you don't have to pay anything. Just create your account. This is also a tons of high quality training to teach you how to start make money online. Bonus number 2, I will give you a free membership. When you get the free membership, what you can pay, you just get paid by giving away this free membership, and you will get paid in 2 different ways. One of them, if they upgrade, and also they need traffic, they pick any solo app package, and you will get paid. The bonus number 3, you will get free affordable camera. This is also a software, there's a affordable camera you can tap into that, and you will learn about 15 super affiliate how to promote this software. Because this is software, if they promote it, and you will get a payment after month if the member stay active for a month after month, and you will get recurring income. Bonus number 4, you will get 2 courses. This on the one course is commission on fire. The second course is the weapon income system. This is also how to make 50,000 per month system. bonus provider, and also you will get 2 more course, $100 a day of video course, and also the second video course, training course, is ClickBank secret. You will get all my exclusive bonus just for the front end, and also I have some OTO bonus in order to help you more. The OTO bonus number one, you will exclusive bonus package. There's one IG secret, one IG secret, 25 fast traffic method, super fast traffic, and 3,000 Instagram, Facebook inspiration image. Just the free method, you can tap into the different strategy. Some of them is free and fast. And also just for the 3,000 Instagram, Facebook inspiration image, if you buy this outsource, you will cost you so much money. But I included in this package. Bonus number 7, OTO bonus 2. You will get a super bonus package. 100 you will get 100 background music tracks, 170 high quality stock image bundle, 60 stock video clicks, YouTube easy video course, niche and keyword research, Facebook Live authority, high taking authority, and also the bonus OTO bonus number 3, the Mega Monster bonus package, how to make 2,000 a day video training, Weapon Google account creator, persuader, 20 WordPress plugin, 70 sales page letter templates, the IM toolkit, and also all will be delivered to you inside the Warriors. But simply click the link below in the description. The first link will come to my bonus page. All my bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus. So let's take a look at what is the members, what is the inside the members area. Okay, and just when you come to the members area, there's also a very clean homepage, domains, video tutorial support, and under beneath under the support, you will get 5 upgrade, high roll up cup, 10x profit accelerator, partner with Jimmy. Jimmy does it for you, and enterprise legend, and you can and then at the end, I will go through the price and upsell as well after I go through this members area. But I highly recommend that you could start with a video tutorial, because in this series and video tutorial, Jimmy will walk you through how this is work well. And this third video is a welcome video, where Jimmy will walk you through what is exactly the domain flipping, and also we will explain you if you are new and no idea what is the domain flipping. And second video is on the walkthrough StuffYourBank walkthrough. This is also we will go through the members area, what you will get inside the members area. And tutorial number 2 is all about and 4 steps to stop your banner. And the first step you will go to have about your domain. This also have file your domain. This is also we will get it. And also second step is bank account. This you how you calculate you will have a bank account. And the first step is go there to buy and also to list your domain. The last step about how to promote it and how to promote your domain. You can promote it in the marketplace. And the second way is to promote it in Facebook. And the third way that you can promote it on YouTube. And this video is all about other details about how to use for domain. It's about he will go through what is the value between different domain method. Domain such .com, .net, .org, .org, and .info. What is the difference and the value, and how to pay attention not to select domain have misspelling, and also how to provide the value for people when buy it, and how to monetize it, and I tell the buyer how to monitor when they buy this, when they buy your domain, how to monetize that, and also to make more profit. This is also a very important. And tutorial tutorial number 4 is all about how to promote that in the domain in different method as I mentioned before is you can how to promote it in some marketplace and also the second way is how to promote on Facebook you can promote it on you can create your Facebook group or Facebook fan page and or you can join other people Facebook group and fan page and also you can create a YouTube channel specifically talking about excuse me domain flicking and also you can and also you how to use this is also about how to promote your domain. And this my tutorial is all about is mainly talk about the pricing, how to set up your price properly with your domain and this video is stuff your bank method you will Jimmy will walk you through how to use this method to detail to explain how to use this method to make more profit domain checklist is also you can see in the checklist and you can see domain checklist when you click check you will get a checklist and in this video he will walk you through everything about this domain checklist and the last video is all about how Jimmy find your domain. He will walk you through how to find the domain. This is also profitable. It's a little bit long video. It's about 23 minutes. So if you are interested, if you are new and no idea how to say that, you can step by step to walk through everything inside in this video tutorial. So lastly, I will talk about what is the price and upsell as well. Because you can see that in the members area, in the members area, they also have 5 different upsell. The front end is just $6.95. What you will get StuffYourBank the database from premium domain picks that will find manually that have the best profit potential from list of over 100,000. After selling hundreds and thousands of domain personally, this Jimmy he knows which ones are good and which ones are bad. The real sellers show tons of customer case study making thousands of dollars with the domain. You just pick this just for $6.95. This is no brainer. I highly recommend you can grab it. You will make a profit. Because just to buy your domain and also to sell is also just to make my profit. This is a similar way to make profit. Just for under $10. This is no brainer. I highly recommend you to grab this product. Upsell number 1 you start a 10x profit accelerator. $47 will come with downsell $27, and they will offer an exclusive marketplace to list your high value premium domain for sale. If you have a marketplace, they will tell you an exclusive marketplace just for $27 downsell. Upsell number 2 you will have a high roller cup $67 with downsell $47. You will sync other people with business and traffic using our expired domain finder. Upsell number 4 you will Jimmy does it for you $97 downsell $67, and you will return to the ultimate sales copy templates for your buyers. You will make ultimate sales copy templates and you can sell it for your buyer and you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to hire someone to write the sales copy. If you want to do, you can do it for just yours. You can do it outsource, but it was quite expensive. You can build it for you just for $67. I highly recommend you can grab it because you will increase your conversion from visitor into buyer. Upsell number 6, upsell number 4 is partner with Jimmy $197 with downsell $97. You will get unlimited attendance to webinar training for live with Jimmy and Jimmy has performed this also by Jimmy weekly since 2011. So if you want to learn more about how to domain and flipping, you can ask you can because he won a weekly training webinar and you can have a live training provided by him and also have more updated information. If you have anything, you can ask in the live training. If you want to more learn about this method, I highly recommend you can grab this partner with Jimmy because he will have a live training and you will learn much more. And also he is an expert in this niche. Upsell number 4, upsell number 5 band and enterprise legend at $67, but with downsell $37, and that is you can sell this product, stuff your band as your product, and you will get and just you are vendor and you will keep 100% commission. And in my opinion, I would highly recommend that you can grab the option number 1 is how to 10x your accelerator because you will have an exclusive place to list your premium domain. And also the upsell number 3 because a downsell and Jimmy does it for you because they will write an ultimate sales page template for you. This is also you will have no need to outsource because it will cost you very expensive. And also he's an expert. He will definitely know how to write and convert and get a sales copy templates for you. If you want to have more and learn about this method, I highly recommend that you can partner with Jimmy because they will run a live webinar week after week. It's your lifetime access. What is the benefit you will get into? You will 1 click away from lifetime changing opportunity, proven to learn over and over by newbie with no experience, and all the domain are selected for you by Jimmy. And also lastly, I will take one my exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1, you will get a free video training course. Bonus number 2, you will get a free membership. You can get paid by giveaway. Bonus number 3, you will get a free available camera. How to make money full career in $100, and you will get promote it once and get paid month after month. Bonus number 4, you will get 2 course commissions on fire and weapon income system. Bonus number 5, you will get another 2 course $100 a day video series and other course about kickband secret. All my and this is also for just for the pick up the front end. If you pick up any OTO, I also have 3 exclusive bonus for you. OTO bonus number 1, you will get an exclusive bonus package. IG secret 25 fast traffic method super fast traffic 3000 Instagram Facebook inspiration image. OTO bonus, you will get a super bonus package, and you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also a 7, and just for 100 background music, 170 high quality stock image, 160 stock video kits, YouTube easy video course, niche and keyword research, Facebook Live authority, high ticket authority. Is a super bonus package. And the OTO bonus, the last bonus for OTO mega bonus bonus package. How to make 2,000 a day video training. Wrapping Google Account creator pre-rated 20 WordPress pop 70 and sales page as sales letter templates and IM toolkit. This will also work if you pick any OTO and you will get all my exclusive bonus OTO bonus 1, 2, and 3. So please don't and you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. The first simply click the link below in the description. The first link they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, any important when we practice, go through the sales page and buy and you will get my exclusive bonus number 1 to number 5 just for fun. And if you pick any upsell, you will get my exclusive bonus OTO bonus 1, 2, and 3. This is also tons of bonus package you can grab it. So lastly, don't forget to like and don't forget my friends for taking time to check out my Stuff Your Bank review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than I have the daily video about the product launcher and also have some marketing tips to help your business. And also in the upcoming day, I also have some video about to make money online and also to make more side hustle to help you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you will support my YouTube channel. See you.